Hi, Paul Ubben here, and today I'd like to talk to you about the view depth portion of the view range. View depth allows us to show objects that appear below the bottom of the view range and customize those objects with a special line type called beyond. So in order to set up view depth, you have to actually do two things. You have to adjust the height of the view depth property, and you have to adjust the line style beyond. So let's take a look here. In this first example, I would like to make the strip footings at the bottoms of the walls display in this plan view as dashed lines. So to do that, I'm going to come over here to the properties palette. It's displaying the properties of the current floor plan, and I'll scroll down to the bottom and locate the view range button. And as you'll see here, currently the view depth is set at 0, which is the same as the bottom of the view range. Therefore, there really is no view depth currently being displayed. What I'm going to do is change this to a negative value of about -4 feet and click apply. Now, when you do that, you are going to see something appear. You're going to see this line appear on the outside of the building. And if I come over here and highlight that, that is my structural foundations. But of course, they are displaying as a solid line. Now, what I want to do next is change the beyond line style. Anything that falls within that zone between the bottom of the primary range and the view depth right here will display using the beyond line style. Now, there's two ways that we can configure this line style. You can go to the Manage tab, on Additional Settings, choose Line Styles, expand the Lines category, and locate the Beyond line style. Here you can change its line weight, its color, and its line pattern. If I show you really quickly by changing its color to something like maybe this orange color, you can see there in the background that those footings are in fact displaying using that beyond line style. Now, I don't really want these to be orange, so I'm going to cancel out of here to undo that change. Now, I could have also changed the line pattern to dashed over there, but you have to decide whether or not it makes more sense to change the line style, which would actually impact it globally throughout the entire project, or whether you want to do it in Visibility Graphics. So that's our other option. So if I go to Visibility Graphics, I just typed VG, and I scroll down and locate the Lines category right here, expand that, you'll see your Beyond line style, and I can override it. So here in this view, I simply want to change the line pattern and choose a dashed line type. I'll click OK, OK again, and now all of my footings display in a dashed line. Now, the reason I chose to do it with Visibility Graphics is because I'm going to go up to the roof plan and look at another example. You see, if we were to look at the section of this building, we would see that there's a roof up here and there's a lower roof down here. But here in the roof plan, we're only seeing the upper roof. So using the same technique and change the view depth, I'm going to use -7 feet and click OK. We'll now get that second roof to display. More importantly, if you zoom in here, you'll start to notice that there's actually two different line weights being used on each portion of the roof. The roof here on the left is using the standard object styles setting that all roofs use. The one here on the right is using that beyond line style that we just saw in the line styles dialog. Now, because we chose to leave the line style set to a solid line in the line styles dialog and apply the dashed line using Visibility Graphics for the footings, we have the result here that we need for the roof plan without doing any further modifications. Thanks for watching.